Hi there, friends. Quick video to show you how to put data into your calculator and how to calculate statistics for it. So really quickly, I'm going to share my screen with you. So here's the TI calculator, and I'm just going to put some data into my calculator. So if you've got a clear screen, you're going to go to Stat, and first you're going to put data into your calculator. So you're going to go to Edit, and I'm going to put my data into L5. You can put it wherever you want, and I'm just going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, I'm just going to put those 10 data points in there. And you always want to double check your data to make sure that it's correct. So I'm going to look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Data looks good. Okay, so there's my data. And if I want to calculate statistics, I just hit the Stat button and I go over to, guess what, Calculate. And I have one variable in there, and I'm going to calculate one Var Stats. I'm going to hit Enter. My data is in L5, so I'm going to go to second L5, which is above the 5 data. I don't need to worry about frequency list for right now, and I'm going to go and I'm going to hit Calculate. And these are a bunch of things that we're going to learn about in class, but I just wanted to show you how to do it on the calculator. And to notice this arrow key here, you're going to scroll down and see a bunch of other things. Some of them you might be able to figure out, max, min, med, and we'll talk about all that in class. So that's how you do one Var Stat. If I want to take a look at a graph of this information, I'm going to go to second stat plot, and I'm going to make sure that all the plots are off to begin with. And if they're not, I can just go to 4 and I turn the plots off and I hit Enter. You're going to see that done there. And so I'm going to go back and do that again. So I'm going to go to second stat plot, and I'm going to turn plot 1 on. And my data is in L5. So I'm going to put second L5. And I just want to look at a histogram of that data. And we're going to, again, talk about that in class. So the third one there is a histogram. The fourth and fifth are box plots. So I'm going to click on that. And my X list is L5, and I'm going to just clear the frequency, and then I'm going to go hit, I need to set my window. So my X values go from 0 up to 10, but I'm going to go a little bit higher. I'm just going to go up to 11. And each of my data points only happens once, so I'm going to have a really silly looking graph. Each one is just 1. So I've got an X scale of 1, and then I'm going to hit Graph to take a look at the data. Oh, I made an error. So dimension mismatch. So I need to go to check my size. So I'm going to go back here to second. So I'm going to quit. Second stat plot. And that problem is that the L2 got put in there. So I'm going to go back here. And the frequency is just going to be 1. And let's see if that'll fix my graph now. So there it goes. It looks like I have something else going on here. It looks like I got some stuff, other stuff that's being graphed. So I'm going to go here to my y equals. Oh, and I've got some stuff there. So I'm just going to clear that out and go back to my graph. And there's a silly little graph of each data point happening only once. If I hit trace, there it says 1 to 2 is once, 2 to 3 is once, and it goes all the way down up to 10. Now let's say if I just switch this and I switched my window, so so that my X scale was 2, and then I hit the graph. Now each of my data points is a bin of 2. And we're going to talk more about that in class as well, but I just wanted to give you a quick video of that. So have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, friends.